Hello everybody, welcome to Veena's Bharatnatyam dance class. Today we will see a new set of Adav called as Visharu Adav. It has got some movement from one place to another. Till now you have been doing it in one place. Now we will be moving from one side to another side. So first we will see the legs. Legs, if I take my right, it will be a little apart, thigh, and then the feet is up, the ankle is up, toes is down, just bend the ankle, thigh. Then make a swastika with the other feet and then bring this feet in the front in home position. Same to the left, ready, and once it is done, you need to start with the left leg. Left leg is side, 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 Adav, hands on the back. Need to have your right beginning. That is, you have your first step, thigh. Okay, that will be thigh. And then the second will be, you need to lift only your heels, and then you need to step the heels down. That will be thigh. Okay, that will be thigh, thigh. Then the left will go and only the toes will be on the ground. So the heel will be lifted up, and then your right toe finger will be having it on the back leg. So in its swastika position, the legs always in parallel, and then bring the heels down and you have same thing to the left, thigh, ta, ta. We need to have our hands in Teermana. Hands, the elbow has to be straight like this, Teermana. Both the hands in Teermana and elbow straight. You can either have hands facing each other or you can have palm down in this position. Let's do the hands. Hands will be in Teermana. Hands you can place it like this or you can place it facing each other. And then you need to start with the right side. That will be, you need to have your palm up. This hand is here like this, palm up straight. And then you have to bring it to the side and keep looking at the hand where it is going, and then you need to take it to the back, and then you need to bring it back. Either you can bring it back like this or you can bring it back like this. Same to the left. Thigh, thigh, ta, ta, thi, thigh, ta, ha. Let us do all the three speeds. Ta, ta, ki, thigh, thigh, ta, ta, thi, thigh, ta, ha. Thigh, thigh, ta, thi, thigh, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, thigh, thigh, ta. The face also go along with it. So when you have your hands in the front, you look in the front. When it goes to the side, you look to the side. And when it comes in the front, don't look down, look straight. Well, that was Visharu Adav, step number 1. Please to practice this leg movement very thoroughly, all the three speeds and the hand movement, because this is a leg movement that will follow all of the rest of the coming Adavs. Thank you so much for watching Veena's Bharatnatyam. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.